Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you the easiest way to make passive income via online. In this way you will be able to make money while you are sleeping. So this way is stock photography. Only you have to capture high quality images using your mobile phone. If you don't have a mobile phone, you can create simple vectors using Adobe Illustrator. After that you have to upload those images or vectors to stock photography websites. There has mainly 3 stock photography websites. Those websites are Adobe Stock, Shutterstock and iStock. So only you have to do one time work and it will generate consistent money. You don't need to do anything after you upload those images. This is not a get rich fast scam. You have to be consistently upload quality images. There has lot of tutorials about stock photography and mobile photography. So using those tutorials, those are free because you can get those tutorials on YouTube. So when you understand about the stock photography and mobile photography, you can create high quality images and upload those images to this website. Most importantly, you can upload the same image for all of those websites. Only thing, when you upload the photo, you have to add tags and title, because if someone search, let's say you capture a flower and you add tag as a flower, and if someone search flower on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, your image will pop up because you add tag as a flower and your photo is a high quality photo. So there has high chance to download your image. So that's why you have to add tags. Basically you can add 50 tags for one image, but if you don't add tags to your images, your image will not go to result page. At first in this method you will not able to make ton of money, but over time you will grow your income and you will able to make passive income, because when you put high quality images, people will buy your image. If your image consistently downloaded by users, you will get organic traffic to your images. That means your images will pop up in search result. When your account get older and when you have lot of images, you will able to make consistent money. I will put some link on description. Actually those are YouTube videos links, so using those YouTube videos you can understand about the stock photography and you will able to see the result of stock photography. So if you have a mobile phone, don't waste your time, start stock photography today. This is the easiest way to make money via online. So as I told before, you will not make ton of money, but over time you will able to make passive income way with doing less work. I hope you get valuable information in this video and I will see you in next time.